Just another update about this IPL hair removal device that I have been using. Third month ko na pala ngayon and honestly super happy ako with the results. Dati kasi everyday talaga halos ako problemado sa underarms ko. Pero ngayon grabe na talaga yung changes and pagbabago. Not bragging ha, just sharing my experience. Kasi ginagamit ko siya primarily sa underarms ko and pansin ko lang talaga na yung bagong tubo sobrang nipis na niya and as in hindi na siya makapal at matigas. Like, unlike nung nagsishave pa lang ako. Plus, hindi ko na siya kailangang gamitin super madalas talaga unlike before. Ang laki ng binawas niya talaga sa routine ko. And for those pala na curious kung safe ba to for teens, and yes naman po, as young as 16 years old and older, pwede nang gumamit nito. Safe siya gamitin. And one quick tip lang pala, hair should be cleanly shaved before using this. So usually nagsishave talaga ako before ako gumagamit ng device na to. Ang laki na rin ang tinipid ko with this ha, kasi imagine the money you'll save for your salon appointments plus the hassle of going there. Super worth it talaga siya in the long run. Kaya kung you're still contemplating whether to try this or not, I tell you girly, this is your sign to do so. I've got the link down below. Click mo yan.